Latham. I work for Red Bull KTM, and this is Andrew Short's KTM 350. Andrew likes a lot of bottom and torque, and he also likes it to rev a lot. He's pretty easy on a bike though. He's not too hard. He likes the rear end a little low, and everything pretty neutral. He wants the handlebars straight with the forks, the levers, I would say more normal, not too low, not high, just more real basic everything. I mean, he moves them a little, but not too much. He'll ride pretty much anything. Maybe the only person less picky is Wyndham. It changes. It's usually around 1352, and we could go either way. No, he's not too hard on the graphics. He is a little bit picky with the seat. He has like a gripper seat that he doesn't like a hump or anything, but he likes a lot of grip in the seat cover, I would say, like a mud style seat cover. Rob and Mark have it set up from RG3, have it set up good. I would say he's very neutral. He likes his forks firm and hold up, and I would say real basic. Tires, he pretty much always runs the same tires, maybe I would just say MX-51 and an MX-71 front.